present your head as living sacrifice. Go! You have 30 seconds to do this. Men, don't touch it. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 20, 18, 17, 16. You did cover in high, so he offended you before. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. DJ, wait. Sunita. My sister, what's the name of this time?
Gele Contolo.
Back to slender. Madam, what's the name of this your Gele?
Nameless.
If they tie you Gele like this, you go pay. Hey. Madam, what's the name of this?
Sarasoke.
Oh yeah, wait. This how it's gonna be. We're gonna have like you guys are couple now and see your handwork. So you will all stand up. More than work out like this now. DJ. Oh yeah, go back to your seat. Stand number 2. Contestant number 3. With pride. All right. Contestant number 4. Let's do this. So it's okay. All right. Hey. All right, go sit down. All right, DJ, break it down. Now, the best Gele is in contestant number 1. Are they the winners? Are they the winner, contestant number 2? Wait. Don't just shout though. Onaju don't know my results. Are they the winner, contestant number 3?
No.
So it's okay. Are they the winner?
No.
Okay, wait. There's gonna be a poll. If they are the winner, can I see your hands up? Contestant number 1, the winner. Let me see your hands up. 1, 2. Contestant number 2. Okay, 3. If they are the winner, let me see your hands up. Wow. You came here with your church members. Contestant number 3. If they are the winner, let me see your hands up. You get my list. If you see yourself, you go. Contestant number 4. Are they the winners? Let me see your hands up.
If you don't you must be dropped. You're not the danger.
Drop your name.
You must be dropped. Shoot, you go.
done the illustration today. Just bring your hand down. Just
Beautiful, beautiful, amazing. Amazing. Now look at your husband, look at your husband. Amazing.
Just take it out. Just take it out. Okay, guys, can you come back?
And Jessica, since we are all very impotent personalities, I'll do a very brief summary. So, the story behind Jarek 2021. Jarek is from Jessica and Eric as well. It started exactly 7 years ago. For those that are very strong believers, I'm a Christian. 7 is a number that stands for what? Stands for what? I can't hear you. Stands for what? I thought we were all drinking Coke. 7 stands for what? Beautiful. So, this journey started about 7 years ago. And myself and Eric, we just finished, we just started our work life. We finished service, right? We've been working for some time. And then he told me, we're living together, so he told me someone, his classmate, he was doing his master's program, he said his classmates needed him to vote for his brother that was in a pageantry, right? It was an online thing, the voting was via Facebook. So he casted his vote and he decided to just go through the gallery to see, okay, who the contestants, who they were. And he came across a particular lady. Her name was, on that pageantry, her name was Jezcute, Jezcute. And Eric was like, I voted for the person I was supposed to vote for. Then I started flipping through and I saw someone on that gallery list. She was one of the models or rather the contestants for the pageantry. And since then, Eric could not make a complete sentence without putting Jezcute. Take for example, our prepaid meter token is finished. Eric will say, we need to renew our prepaid meter token. But that's true. This Jezcute girl I saw, I've been doing so many research about her. I need to know this girl. And I'm like, Eric, you have voted for the person you are supposed to vote for. What's up with Jezcute? But to cut the long story short, my friend has very good research skills. He did some research about Jezcute, and for some reason, he convinced me that for him to have proper sanity, he had to find a way to just know who Jezcute was. So he slid into a DM. For the 40s and below here, we understand the act of sliding, right? 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 So he slid into a DM and said, hi Jezcute, your page looks so fantastic, blah 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 blah. So after so many weeks, there was a response, and we were so happy that he got a response. So I'll just fast forward the whole story. Along the line, we got a number, they started talking, and it took, I'm not exaggerating, it took almost, because this started April 2014, it took almost another 7 months for him to meet this Jezcute physically, right? And I'm very particular about that 7, and you understand why. This happened April 2014. So they met sometime around November, December 2014 for the first time, and they spoke. And since then, Eric was like, I've met my wife. And I was like, for real? So he can't say I've met my wife, but the irony was that Jezcute, as we're seeing here, yes, she advanced steps are so well, but she's in the medical profession. And she made it so clear to my friend that she can't have any marriage conversation until she's done with her academics. And my friend, being a very result-oriented guy, very self-driven, very patient, he knows what he wants, and he was like, if your course is going to take 20 years, I'll be here waiting for you. And I'm so delighted today. I can't start giving you the nitty-gritty of the whole story. Yes, it's been so rosy, they had their challenges, but exactly 7 years, 7 months down the line, I'm here witnessing these two individuals making the best couple that the world is yet to experience. I am a proud gentleman in this occasion, and I bring to you Eric and Jessica. I'm not trying to steal the show, but it's something you all don't know. Today is also my wedding anniversary. Yeah? So I dedicate our chairs to Eric and Jessica. So, and it wasn't planned. Forget that it's my best friend. It wasn't planned. It was just a coincidence, right? So please, can everyone join me? Just stand up.